Hello everyone, this is Manisha Panda from Sambalpur, Odisha. I welcome you all again in my YouTube channel, that is Manisha's Magical Biology, and today I am going to discuss the part 2 of digestion in stomach. Yes, it's too late students, I know it's again 3-4 days, but due to some reasons I'm getting delayed. So let us start the part 2, that is digestion in stomach. We have already completed the digestion in buccal cavity. Now I am going to start the main part, the mechanism of digestion in the stomach. Okay, we had discussed in the part 1 of digestion in stomach about the parts of the stomach. We had discussed what are the parts of the stomach, what are the parts: cardiac fundus, cardiac fundus, body, pylorus or antrum. Yes, what are the different glands of the stomach? Gastric glands, what are the gastric glands? Cardiac glands, pyloric glands, Third, principal, it is also called fundic. Principal gland को fundic gland भी बोलते हैं. Okay, coming to the main process of digestion in the stomach. Okay, what is the composition of gastric juice? Coming to the main part, what is the composition of the gastric juice? I had told about the 3 cells. Remember, if you remember properly, I had told about the 3 cells of the principal glands or the fundic glands. Yes, what are the 3 types of cells present on the principal or fundic glands? Principal or fundic gland में 3 type का cell क्या था? What are the cells if you remember? So what are these cells? First was the goblet cell. Of course, this was common to all the 3 gastric glands. First, goblet cell or mucous neck cells. Goblet cells or mucous neck cells, first, which secrete mucus. First was, what are the 3 types of cells on the principal or fundic glands? So what are the 3 types of cells? First was goblet cell or mucous neck cells. Goblet cells or mucous neck cells which secrete mucus. Second was the peptic or chief cells. Peptic or chief cells which secrete 2 proenzymes or inactive enzymes, which secrete जो 2 proenzyme और inactive enzyme secrete करते हैं. What are the 2 proenzymes और inactive enzymes? What are they? 2 है, वो 2 क्या है? Pepsinogen and prorenin. So what are the 2 proenzymes or inactive enzymes secreted by the peptic or chief cells? First was the goblet cells or mucous neck cells which secrete mucus. Second is peptic or chief cells which secrete 2 proenzymes or inactive enzymes. What are the 2? Pepsinogen and prorenin. Third, what is the third one? Third type of cell, it is the oxyntic or parietal cells. Which secrete HCl. Oxyntic or parietal cells which secrete HCl, and also another thing they secrete, I had forgotten to tell in the previous video. That is an intrinsic factor. Intrinsic factor is also secreted by the oxyntic or parietal cells. Intrinsic factor IF, which increases the intrinsic factor is responsible for the absorption of the vitamin B12. Intrinsic factor is responsible for the absorption of the vitamin B12. Okay. So what are the 3 cells? First, goblet cells or mucous neck cells which secrete mucus. Second, peptic or chief cells which secrete pepsinogen and which secrete the 2 proenzymes or inactive enzymes that are pepsinogen and prorenin. Third, prorenin. What is the third? Third is oxyntic or parietal cells which secrete HCl, hydrochloric acid, and one more thing, that is intrinsic factor. For what? For the absorption of the vitamin B12. Intrinsic factor IF for the absorption of vitamin B12. Okay. Now coming, so what is the composition? What is the exact composition of gastric juice? Gastric juice में क्या क्या रहता है? What are the other things? एंजाइम्स आई हैव ऑलरेडी टोल्ड, दो तो प्रो एंजाइम रहता है। प्रो एंजाइम का मतलब है वो इनएक्टिव फॉर्म में रहता है, वो किसी के प्रेजेंस में एक्टिवेट होगा, पहले एक्टिवेट होगा फिर काम करता है। सो व्हाट आर दी टू प्रो एंजाइम्स? प्रो एंजाइम्स क्या क्या है? पेप्सिनोजेन एंड प्रोरेनिन। पेप्सिनोजेन एंड प्रोरेनिन, these are the two inactive enzymes or pro-enzymes. What are the two other active enzymes? और दो तो active enzyme क्या क्या होता है? What are the two other active enzymes? दो तो और active enzyme जो होता है वो है gastric amylase and gastric lipase. Gastric amylase and gastric lipase, these are the two active enzymes. So total gastric juice में total 4 enzyme रहता है. I would be repeating that once again. Okay, so what is the composition of gastric juice? Gastric juice का composition क्या क्या है? मैंने सेल का नाम बता दिया आपको. गैस्ट्रिक जूस में क्या क्या रहता है? What is the composition of the gastric juice? Yes, what are they? क्या क्या है? First, I would like to say the first would be hydrochloric acid. That is HCl. Hydrochloric acid, HCl. Second, I would like to tell about the enzymes. Enzymes क्या क्या है? आपकी बुक में 10th के कोर्स में खाली पेप्सिन है, PEPSIN, खाली पेप्सिन है. आई एम टेलिंग मोर अदर एंजाइम्स, इट इज वेरी इजी टू रिमेंबर. So first is what is the composition of gastric juice? पहला है hydrochloric acid, that is HCl. second वाला क्या है? 4 enzymes are, remember there are 4 enzymes. Out of the 4, 2 are pro enzymes और inactive enzymes. दो तो pro enzyme है और दो तो वही pro enzyme और inactive enzyme है, और दो तो active enzymes है. प्रो एंजाइम और इनएक्टिव एंजाइम का मतलब है वो पहले एक्टिवेट होंगे, पहले उनका एक्टिवेशन होगा फिर वो काम करते हैं. पहले एक्टिवेशन हो जाएगा फिर वो काम कर पाएंगे, और जो ऑलरेडी एक्टिवेटेड हैं वो ऑलरेडी उसी स्टेट में ही काम करते हैं. सो व्हाट आर दी 4 एंजाइम्स? 4 एंजाइम क्या क्या होता है गैस्ट्रिक जूस में? व्हाट आर दी 4 एंजाइम्स? आउट ऑफ दी 4, 2 एंजाइम्स है. 2 एंजाइम्स है प्रो एंजाइम्स और inactive enzymes, and 2 more are already activated enzymes, active enzymes only. So what are the 2 pro enzymes? We have already discussed many times. First pro enzyme, pepsinogen. Second pro enzyme, prorenin. First pepsinogen, second prorenin. सो पेप्सिनोजेन से ही पेप्सिन बनता है. पेप्सिनोजेन लीड्स टू फॉर्मेशन ऑफ पेप्सिन. व्हाट अबाउट प्रोरेनिन? प्रोरेनिन से रेनिन बनता है. रिमेंबर, यू हैव टू माइंड द स्पेलिंग ऑफ द रेनिन प्रॉपरली हियर. रेनिन का स्पेलिंग करेक्ट होना चाहिए यहाँ पर. व्हाट इज द स्पेलिंग ऑफ रेनिन? RENNIN. RENN. रिमेंबर, डोंट फॉरगेट डबल एन ही होगा, सिंगल एन नहीं होगा यहाँ पर. RENNIN. पेप्सिनोजेन से पेप्सिन होगा, प्रोरेनिन से रेनिन होगा. और ऑलरेडी और दो ठो जो एक्टिव एंजाइम है वो दो ठो क्या क्या है? गैस्ट्रिक लाइपेज एंड गैस्ट्रिक अमाइलेज. Gastric lipase, gastric amylase. Okay. So let us. I would be completing very less part in this portion. Then I would make another video for completing the another part of digestion in stomach. Okay. So let us start individually. What are the functions of all these things? Let us start. So what are the two? Yes, 2. I told about the 2 parts of the gastric juice. What are the 2 parts? First would be, what is the first part? That is hydrochloric acid. Yes, what is first composition? First component is hydrochloric acid, HCl. Hydrochloric acid, HCl. Second would be pepsinogen. Pepsinogen से पेप्सिन होता है, प्रोरेनिन से रेनिन होता है. Then gastric amylase, gastric lipase. Okay. Third, what is the third component? Mucus. First, what is first? First is hydrochloric acid, that is HCl. Second is 4 enzymes, pepsinogen, prorenin. Pepsinogen से पेप्सिन, प्रोरेनिन से रेनिन. थर्ड एंजाइम जो होता है गैस्ट्रिक अमाइलेज, गैस्ट्रिक लाइपेज. ओके. This is all about the enzymes. That is second component. What is the third component of gastric juice? Gastric juice का third component क्या होता है? The third component is mucus. Gastric juice का third component होता है mucus. Okay. So what is this gastric hydrochloric acid? What is contribution of the hydrochloric acid? Hydrochloric acid का contribution क्या होता है? Due to the hydrochloric acid, the gastric juice is acidic in nature. Hydrochloric acid की वजह से ही gastric juice जो होता है उसका pH acidic होता है. Due to the presence of the hydrochloric acid, the gastric juice is acidic in nature. Due to the presence of the hydrochloric acid, the gastric juice is acidic in nature. Okay. And remember, coming to the pepsin, before discussing the function of the HCl, hydrochloric acid का function बताने से पहले I would like to tell about the function of the pepsin. Pepsin का formation किससे होगा? Pepsin का formation pepsinogen से होता है. Pepsin का formation pepsinogen से होगा. Pepsinogen से pepsin का formation होगा HCl के presence में. In the presence of HCl, the pepsinogen is activated to form pepsin. Okay. So what happens? Due to the presence of the hydrochloric acid, what happens? The gastric juice is acidic in nature. Due to the presence of the hydrochloric acid, the gastric juice is acidic in nature. In the acidic medium, what happens? In the acidic medium, the enzyme pepsin. In the acidic medium, the enzyme pepsin begins the digestion of proteins present in the food. In the acidic medium, the enzyme pepsin begins the digestion of proteins present in the food. To form smaller molecules. And what are these smaller molecules? वो smaller molecule क्या होता है? Peptones and proteases. So what is that? Due to the presence of the hydrochloric acid, what happens? Due to the presence of the hydrochloric acid, the gastric juice is acidic in nature. In the acidic medium, the enzyme pepsin. In the acidic medium, the enzyme pepsin begins the digestion of protein present in the food. To form smaller molecules. Begins the digestion of proteins present in the food to form smaller molecules. To form smaller molecules called peptones and proteases. Okay. So this is all about this video. In another video, I would be discussing the functions of the hydrochloric acid, functions of the mucus. So this finishes only the function of the pepsin, which is formed from the pepsinogen. Pepsinogen से pepsin होता है, प्रोरेनिन से रेनिन होता है. Pepsinogen से pepsin, प्रोरेनिन से रेनिन. In the presence of HCl. So just get it done, students. It is too easy. It is just only the beginning of that digestion part of the stomach. Right? So this is the part 2. Just be aware. Be awaited for the part 3 of the digestion in stomach. Okay, thank you so much.
Hello everyone, this is Manisha's Magical Biology. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel, like it, please press the bell icon, share it with everyone, and please share your views by commenting in the comment section. Thank you so much.